we are now on board of the seabird from Seychelles Cruises, and Isabel will show us the ship.
Okay, so this is our bar, which is open at 8:30 to 10:30. Here normally is the sitting area or the salon area or the dining area. Every day you got the specialties from the chef here, where you always tasting something new, good.
We got avocado and salad, with rice, pasta, gnocchi, vegetable curry.
My name is Jude, I'm the captain. For now, I'm just going to show you the itinerary we're going to do for the next 7 days. Alright, for this afternoon, once we leave harbour, we're going to be cruising outside north of St. Anne Channel, the main first marine park of just outside Victoria Harbour. We'll sail north of there, heading south towards the island of Prahran. We'll do the approach via the south, slowly into the bay of Bay St. Anne. Next morning we'll move further slightly into the bay, and then we'll drop you guys at the jetty here with the dinghy, where you're going to be joined by a tour operator to go and visit the Vallée de Mai.
My name is Medina and I'm going to be your guide for 1 hour 15 minutes in Vallée de Mai. So that's the nuts or the fruit of the pondenus that you may also find here in the Vallée de Mai. Wash away the nut until the coastal side of Maldives. And when the people from Maldives saw the nuts on the beach or in the water, they thought that the nut came from the water with the plant. You go to Maldives and you ask the Maldivian, may I see the nuts of the coco de mer? They say you have to go to Seychelles to find the nuts. Yeah. That's why they gave it the name of coco de mer.
The next morning after breakfast, we'll do a short sail across to La Digue Island. Should be there in about sort of 45 minutes or so. We're going to go and visit La Digue for the day. The famous Rouge d'Argent and the granite formation. See the life there a bit.
Eine Trauminsel in den Seychellen. Vor allem für jene, die sich erinnern, diese Granitfelsen da im Hintergrund, da wurde mal die Bacardi-Werbung gemacht. Und so schön, wie es in der Werbung ist, so schön ist es auch auf der Insel.
And then in the afternoon we'll do a short ride over to Coco Island. It's also a marine reserve. We'll do more diving and snorkeling from there. Once we've done that, we'll sail back. It's going to be quite a sail for about an hour or so, up sort of northwesterly into the Bay of Curieux.
Es ist Curieux, die kuriose Insel vor Prahran, die vor allem bekannt ist für die Felsformationen aus Granit und die riesigen Schildkröten.
Die Schildkröte lässt sich überhaupt nicht stören beim Essen, auch wenn ich da neben ihr posiere.
And then the next morning we'll probably sail around the eastern side or through the channel of Curious to actually go to Arid Island, where you're going to be spending half of the day visiting the bird life there.
So the name is Arid. Normally they share, male and female, both. They go deep normally to get the fish, about 3 or 4 meters down. Normally when it's flying, you can see only white. But normally when it's on the ground, you can see the black stroke. Yeah. Là.
Check out the real situation. Nation war.
This one maybe 4 or 5 days.
Where did it all begin? When will it end? Well, it seems like totally. Don't you look at me so smug?
That's the Seychelles magpie robin. Normally we have to put, they can fly. Go fly. That's a young chick. That's a tropical Odubo seawater, 1,000 feet. Yeah. You have to get a lot of shoes to tie it. Sorry to miss you, and then you can see all the birds. Bye-bye.
That's it. The next morning after breakfast, we'll slowly head our way again via the south, back towards Mahe, but this time approaching the island of Santan via the south, the main Santan channel, just off the Santan resort here, where we'll have the final anchorage, and the next morning we'll have an early rise at 5:30, pick up anchor and take you guys back into the Victoria Harbour for departure. Anyway guys, big thank you once again. Good continuity for everyone. Safe trip home. Those enjoying some more time in Seychelles, enjoy it. Sure, you're gonna pick up other experience elsewhere. But everybody's charming here. Wherever you go, you're gonna be welcome. Thank you.
We had a great time today.